I want to address those who have faced tremendous challenges in learning and navigating through the complexities of language. This is for those who have stumbled, fallen, and felt the weight of self doubt pressing down upon their shoulders. I'm here to tell you that your struggles do not define you. They are mere stepping stones on the path to your greatness. Learning a new language can be a daunting journey, filled with ups and downs. It can make you question your abilities, leaving you feeling lost and frustrated. But let me tell you this, you're not alone. Many have walked this path before you, and many will walk it after you. It is a path that tests your resilience, your determination, and your unwavering spirit. I understand the pain of stumbling over words, feeling as if your thoughts are trapped behind a veil you cannot lift. I know the frustration of trying to express yourself, only to be met with confusion and misunderstanding. But remember, my friend, language is a tool, a beautiful, powerful tool that can be wielded with time, patience, and unwavering dedication. Look into the mirror. You have the power to overcome every obstacle in your path. Your struggles have sculpted you into a person of incredible fortitude. Embrace those struggles, for they have shaped your character, your tenacity, and your ability to rise above adversity. Never let the fear of making mistakes hold you back. Mistakes are the pillars of growth. Embrace them, learn from them, and let them guide you toward mastery. Each stumble is an opportunity to learn, to refine your skills, and to emerge stronger than before. I urge you to surround yourself with a community of support. Seek out mentors, teachers, and fellow learners who can uplift you on your journey. Together, you can create an environment of encouragement, understanding, and motivation. Share your stories, your triumphs, and even your setbacks. In doing so, you'll find solace in knowing that you are not alone and that the collective strength of your community will propel you forward. My dear friend, that your worth is not measured by the fluency of your words. Your worth lies in your relentless pursuit of knowledge, your resilience in the face of adversity, and your unwavering determination to overcome every obstacle that comes your way. Stand tall, my fellow language learner. Embrace your struggles as opportunities for growth. Find solace in the knowledge that every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. Your journey may be challenging, but the destination will be all the more rewarding. Believe in yourself, for you are capable of remarkable things. Your struggles do not define you. They are merely a chapter in your story of triumph. Embrace the power within you and let your spirit soar, ready to be inspired by your resilience, your perseverance, and your unwavering dedication to the beautiful art of language. May your journey be filled with boundless joy, growth, and success. Professor Walid.